Sec, I understand you mentioned that Secretary Ruiz has 60 days to divest upon assumption to office. Clarify ko lang, has he already divested or is he still in the process of divesting?
Sa pagkakaalam ko ay in the process na po kasi piniprepare niya po yung kanyang mga papers regarding
And
that.
does the Secretary have a statement on, of course, allegations? No, not allegations, but those who are pointing out that there is clear conflict of interest in this situation.
Yes, kung meron pong conflict of interest na ngayon na siya ay na-appoint as secretary ng PCO, talagang dapat matanggal po yung conflict of interest kaya kailangan niya pong mag-divest. Kung naman po ang mga naging negosyo niya ay hindi pa po siya na-appoint as secretary ng PCO, so wala naman po tayo nakikitang mali doon dahil kailangan din naman po niyang kumita. So ngayon po na kami po ay na-appoint, kailangan po talaga mag-divest kung ang interest po ay may conflict. So kailangan po talaga mag-divest.